Good evening, students. We were doing exercise 1.2, so we had continued that exercise and we completed till question number 5a. We'll start with 5b now. Okay, question 5b. Minus 5 upon 8 plus 8 upon 9 plus minus 11 upon 12. Here, to simplify this, we'll have to first take LCM. We have to make the denominators same. Okay, so how to take LCM? I have told you method 8, 9, 12. Write the denominators. Start with 2. Divide the numbers by 2. So 8. So 2, 8 will become 4. 9 is not divisible, so copy it as it is. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Again 2. 4 will become 2. 9 as it is. 6 will become 3. Again there is 1 2 left here. It is still divisible by 2, so take one more 2. 2 ones are 9 will as it is. 3 will come. Now these are divisible, not divisible by 2, so we'll take 3. 3, this 1 will come as it is. 3 3s are 9, divided by 3 is 3, and 3 1s are 3. Again it is divisible by 3, so 3, this 1 will come as it is, and 3 1s are 3. You have to keep doing it till you get 1 in the end. Okay, this is the LCM is these. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Into 3 into 3 is 9. So 8 9s are 72 is the LCM. That means we have to make each denominator 72. Okay. So how to make the denominator 72? See. To make this 8 into 72, if we have to multiply this 8 with 9. 8 9s are 72. So this will multiply the numerator and denominator by 9. Here I already have 9. So I'll multiply this with 8 to make the denominator 72. And 12. To make 72, we have to multiply 12 with 6. So we'll multiply both numerator and denominator with 6. So now this will become 5 into 9 is minus 45 upon 72 plus 8 8s are 64 upon 72 plus minus 66 upon 12 6 are 72. Denominator is same now. 72 minus 45 plus 64 minus 66. Minus 45 plus 64 minus 66. Calculate this. When we solve this, we get the answer minus 47 upon 72. In the textbook behind, they have made a mistake in the answer. They have given the answer as 22 in the denominator, which is wrong. It is 72. Okay, so follow this answer. Next, C. Copy this properly. Question number 5C. Here I have minus 8 upon 15 plus minus 13 upon 20 minus 5 upon 6. There is a bracket here. That means we have to first solve this. So the denominator is not same. We have to make the denominator same. So LCM of 15 and 20. We'll first find the LCM of 15 and 20. 15, 20. So start with 2. 2, 15 will as it is. This will become 10. 2, 15, 5 will keep 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. Now it is not divisible by 2, so 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 is not divisible by 3, so copy is as it is. Now with 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. LCM is 60. Now here, to make this 15 into 60, we'll have to multiply by 4. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. To make this 20 into 60, we'll have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Here we'll multiply by 4 and here we'll multiply by 3. So minus 8 into 4 minus 32 upon 15 into 4 is 60, plus minus 13 into 3 minus 39 upon 20 into 3, sorry, this is 60 upon multiplied by minus 5 upon 6. Here denominator is same now, so minus 32 minus 39 into minus 5 upon 6. So minus 32 minus 39 will become minus 71 upon 60 into minus 5 upon 6. Now this minus will become plus. 5 1s are 5 12s are. Okay. So minus 71 upon 12 into 6 is 60. This is, my minus sign is gone because minus is plus. This is my answer. If we convert into mixed fraction, 60 71. 60 1s are 60, remainder is 11. So remainder comes in the numerator, divisor is here, and quotient comes here. So this is my answer for 5C. The question is this: 5D. All the numbers are in multiplication. If there is multiplication, no need to take LCM. We take LCM only when there is subtraction or addition sign to make the denominators equal. Here there is multiplication, so no need of taking LCM. Just first solve this mixed fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 upon 5 into minus 15 upon 16 into 13 upon 20. We'll make cancellations. So here, see, 5 1s are 5 3s are, correct? Then 2 9s are 2 8s are. Okay, that's it. We cannot cancel further. So we'll write the numbers: 9 into minus 3 into 13 upon 8 into 20. Nine into 3, 27. 27 into 13. So we'll multiply 27 and 13. $351. So this is minus 351 upon 8 into 2. 8 into 20 is 160. Okay, and then we'll solve this mixed fraction. 160, 351. So 160 2s are 320. Remainder is 31. So 31 will come in the numerator, 160 in the denominator, and quotient 2 will come here. And the number is negative, so we'll add a minus sign. This is my answer. Minus 231 upon 160. Okay. These two sums, B and C, their answer is given wrong behind. Okay. A and D are right. So this answer is right. These two answers are given wrong behind. So copy these answers. Question number 6. It is 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 12 plus 2 upon 7 plus 7 upon 12, 9 upon 7 plus minus 5 upon 16. Okay. Here we have to solve this. Okay. But while solving, we'll bring similar terms together so that the calculation becomes easier. You see, the denominator of this term and this term is same, so I'll write them together. 5 upon 12 plus 7 upon 12, correct? These two numbers. Now the denominator of these two terms is same, 2 upon 7 and 9 upon 7, so I'll write them together. 2 upon 7 plus 9 upon 7. Then the denominator, these two are remaining, 1 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 16. So I'll copy them also. 1 upon 8 minus 5 upon 16. Okay. So here the denominator is same, so I can add the numerators directly. I'll get 5 plus 7 upon 12 plus, even here the denominator is same, 2 plus 9 plus, here you see the denominator is 8 and 16. So the LCM here for 8 and 16 is 16. So we have to make this 8 into 16. I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So I'll get 2 upon 16 plus minus 5 upon 16. Okay. 5 plus this is 12 upon 12 plus 11 upon 7 plus, now the base is same, so I can write 2 minus 5 upon 16. Okay. So we'll continue from this step. 12 will get cancelled. 12 ones are, so 1 will remain. 11 upon 7. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So minus 3 upon 16. Okay. Now we have to take LCM here to solve this entire thing. So LCM of 16 and 7. See, what is the LCM of 16 and 7? We'll divide with 2. So 2 8s are, 7 will come as it is, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, and then 7 will come, 7 1s are. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. LCM is there is 4 times 2 and 1 7. So it is 16 into 7. One 12. Now once I have this, I will make the denominators same. So here there is no denominator, here it is actually 1 upon 1. Okay. Now this fraction 16 will get multiplied with, see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16 into 7 was 112. So 16 we have to multiply with 7, so that this denominator will become 112. 7 will be multiplied with 16 to make it denominator 112, and 1 upon 1 I have to bring 112 here, so I'll multiply with 112. Only then I'll get 112 in the denominator, 112. Okay. So now this will become 112 upon 112 upon 112 plus 16 into 11. 16 into 11 is 176 upon 16 into 7, 112, minus 7 3s are 21 upon 112. Now the base is same. One 112 plus 176 minus 21. When you solve this, you will get 267 upon 112. Okay. We'll divide this to find the mixed fraction. 112 divided by 276. So 2s are 112, 2s are 224. When you divide, subtract, you will get 44. 43. 67 minus 24 is 43. So remainder is 43. That means in the numerator you will have 43. Quotient is 2. So this will come here, and base is, divisor is 112. So this is my answer. Sum starts from here. And then continues here. This was the LCM 112. See, these sums are lengthy. So those sums which have addition and subtraction are going to be lengthy. Okay. Multiplication sums and division sums will be easy comparatively. So the B part we have 11 upon 2 plus minus 17 upon 4 plus minus 4 upon 9 plus minus 15 upon 8 plus 13 upon 6. Now no denominator is same, so we'll take LCM of all these numbers. Okay, so let's take LCM of 12, 4, 9, 8 and 6. Start with 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 9 will come as it is, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 9 will come as it is, 2 2s are 4, 3 will come as it is. Those numbers which are not divisible by 2 will be copied as it is. Then again one more 2 is left, so 2 3 1 9, 2 1s are 2. Now we'll take 3. So 3 1s are 3. This 1 will come as it is. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 1s are 3. One more 3. 3 1 1. 3 1s are 3. So this is the LCM. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 4. 4 2s are 8 into 3 into 3 is 9. So LCM is 72. In one more sum, we had LCM as 72. That means in the denominator now, we have to bring 72. We have to make all the denominators 72. So 1 upon 12 minus 17 upon 4 minus 4 upon 9 minus 15 upon 8 and 13 upon 6. I have to make them 72. So let's see. How to make 12 into 72 multiply by 6. How to make 4 into 72. You can divide 72 by 4 and see what number you get. Okay, the number is 18. So we'll multiply with 18. 9 into 72. 9 8s are 72. So I'll multiply with 8. 8 will be multiplied with 9 to make 72. And 6 will be multiplied with 12. Okay. Let's multiply. 6 into 11 is 66 upon 72 plus 18 into 17. 18 into 17 is 306. So minus 306 upon 72 plus 8 4s are minus 32 upon 72 plus 9 into 15. 15 into 9 is minus 135 upon 72 plus 12 into 13 is 156 upon 72. Now all the denominators are same. So let's write a common denominator 72 and 66 minus 306 minus 32 minus 35 plus 156. We'll have to subtract this. So 66 minus 306 minus 32 minus 135 plus 156. This will be minus 251 upon 72. Okay, now let's make it mixed fraction. 72 251. So 7 3s are 21. 72 into 3 is 216. When you subtract, we'll get 35. So 35 is the remainder. Quotient is 3. Denominator is 72. And there is a minus sign. So this is the answer. Copy this with this LCM calculation. Copy everything, each and every step. In this question again, we'll take the LCM of the denominators. So denominators are 11, 3, 22, 4 and 12. Let's start with 2. 2 is not divisible by 11, so it will come like as it is. 3 will come as it is. 2 11s are 22. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. Again 2, 11, 3, 11. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then we'll take 3. 11 will come as it is. 3 1s are, this 1 will continue, and 3 1s are 3. Now 11 is remaining, so we'll take 11 here. 11 1s are, 11 1s are. Okay, once you get 1, keep writing it. So all numbers should become 1. We have to divide all numbers. So my LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 11. See, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 11 is 132. LCM is 132. Okay. Now we'll multiply these numbers. Minus 7 upon 11, 2 upon 3, minus 3 upon 22, minus 9 upon 4 and 13 upon 12. This was the question. Now we have to make the denominators as 132. So 132, you have to multiply 11 with 12. For 3, how to make 3 into 132? You can divide and see. So 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 44. I'm getting 44, so we'll multiply with 44 to make 132. 22. Let's divide and see for 22. So 22 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 1 6 2s are 12. 13. 22 into 6. 4. For 4 we can divide. 4 3s are 12. 12 and 4 3s are, so 33. Multiply with 33. And this 12 will be multiplied with 11 to make the denominator 132. So 12 into 7 is 84 minus 84 upon 132 plus 44 into 2 is 88 upon 132 plus 6 into 3 minus 18 upon 132 plus 9 into 33 minus 297 on 132 plus 13 into 11. 13 into 11 is 143 upon 132. Now we got the denominators same. So I'll write the denominators as common 132, and numerators will get minus 84 plus 88 minus 18 minus 279 plus 143. Okay, do the calculations one by one. First subtract this, then this, then this, like this. Do the calculations slowly. You will get the answer based on the calculations. When you add and subtract all these, we'll get the answer as 168 minus 168 upon 132. We can further reduce this. 168 and 132 can be further reduced. So let's see. I'll continue here. So 168 upon 132. Let's reduce this. 284s are 266. 242s are and 233. 3 ones are will cancel with 3 now. 3 ones are 3 fours are 3 ones are 11. So I'm getting minus 14 upon 11. And if you make this as mixed fraction, you will get minus 1 3 upon 11. This is the answer. Then this. Pause the video and copy the sum properly. First this part, then this. Now D. Question 6D. We'll complete this exercise today. It is 11 upon 12 into minus 7 upon 8 into minus 8 upon 15 into 9 upon minus 11. So here there is all multiplication sign, so we'll cancel. So this 11 will get cancelled. 8 will get cancelled. 3 3s are 3 4s are correct. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So what is remaining? Minus 7 into this minus sign is remaining here. Minus 1 upon, in the denominator I have 4 into 5 into this minus sign. So minus 4 into 5. Minus sign will get cancelled. So answer is minus 7 upon 20. Minus 7 upon 20. Very easy. Everything got cancelled. Just be careful with the minus sign. Okay. Now this is the question. In this question, there is one small change. There is a division sign here. Okay. So in exponents, we had studied one rule. I'll again like you to remember it. That if, for example, I have 35 upon 54 divided by 28 upon 30. If I have a division sign, I can change this division sign into multiplication. Okay. I can change this division sign into multiplication. What changes do I make? The fraction which is there after the division sign, this fraction will get reciprocal. This fraction will become 39 upon 28. Whenever I change the division sign into multiplication, this fraction gets reciprocal. Okay, so remember this rule. It was there in exponents also. Let's apply it here. So minus 8 upon 25 into minus 35 upon 54. This division sign I'll make it multiplication. I'll reciprocal this fraction. So this is 39 upon 28 multiplied by 63 upon minus 52. Okay. Now we can make the cancellations, whatever possible. So let's start with this. 5 7s are 5 5s are. Okay. Then this 7 and 28 can get cancelled. 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. Okay. 4 1s are 4 2s are. This 2 and 54 can get cancelled. So 2 1s are 2 27. Okay. Then 27 and 63 are divisible by 9. 9 threes are and 9 sevens are. Okay. Then 3 and 39 are divisible. 3 ones are, 3 13s are. Okay. There is less space, so I'll first write the numbers once again. See, and the minus sign. There is minus, minus, 1, 2, and there is one more minus sign here. So minus, minus, plus, and this minus sign will remain in the denominator. So here in the numerator I have 13 into 7 upon, and the denominator I have 5 into minus 52. Okay. If you are getting confused, you can do the cancellations one by one. Okay, first one cancellation, then write the next step, then you can do the next cancellation. Okay. Now this 13 and 52 are also divisible. So 13 ones are, 13 fours are 52. So what is remaining? 7 upon 5 into minus 4, that is 7 upon minus 20. This is my answer. Okay, 7 upon minus 20. Pause the video and copy the sum. I'll do the next one, last sum. It is also of the same concept where you have division sign. 36 upon 49 divided by 27 upon minus 42 into 26 upon minus 45 divided by 65 upon minus 81. Here there are two division signs. So one by one we'll change them. This sign 36 upon 49. This division sign I'll make it multiplication. And this fraction will get reciprocal, so it will become minus 42 upon 27 multiplied by 26 upon minus 45. Again this division sign I'll make multiplication, so this fraction will get reciprocal, it will become minus 81 upon 65. Okay, this minus sign will get cancelled. Now let's do the cancellations. So I'll start with here. 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. Okay, then 3 ones are 3 27s are. Okay, then 49 and 42 are divisible by 7. So 7 sevens are 7 sixes are. Then what is remaining? Let's copy. 4 into minus 6 into 26 into 27 upon 7 into 45 into 65. Further it can be cancelled. How? See, 3, both are divisible by 3, 45 and 27. So 3 9s are, 3 1s are, and 5s are. 3 5s are 15. Further divisible by 3, 3 3s are, 3 5s are. Okay, then this 26 and 65 are divisible, both are divisible by 13. Okay, 26 is 13 2s are, 65 is 13 5s are. Okay, now what is remaining? 4 into minus 6 into 2 into 3 upon 7 into 5 into 5. So 4 6 are 24 minus 24, 2 into 3 is 6 upon 7 5s are 35, 35 into 5 is 175. 24 into 6 is 144 upon 175. Calculations, you do it on your own. Do the calculations here in the rough work. This sum is done. With this we complete exercise 2.1. 2.1 exercise is completed now. Okay. That's it for today. In the next video we'll start with the next exercise.